Hey, don't be silly. Come on, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. No, it'll pop quick. I just can't grab it with my fingers. It's too slippery. Oh, it's too slippery for these two.
Good.
Come here. Open your mouth wider.
Oh, wow.
Oh, jeez.
I can't grab it.
Oh.
Open up.
You
Do you want 2, 3 money or not? You're trying to bite an apple. Yeah, that's it. Push it out more.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
What the hell?
Ow, ow.
That hurt. Show me your mouth. It's all bloody.
There you go. 2, 3
Oh.
money.
Oh.
Alright.
Guys.
Can I have a tooth?
Can you have a tooth?
I'll give you an ice box second.